few seconds, you can see these videos, and we'll put the links to her testimonial below. I have not been able to see this patient since the COVID lockdown. Canada and US, there's a problem. My clinic is in South Florida, but people coming across the border, they can't now with still the rules with the vaccine. So I haven't been able to see this patient again, but she was able to get feeling in her body back, vision back, short period of time. She was able to get her bladder under control again. She's able to move her legs again that were paralyzed for more than 10 years, able to stand for a while without somebody assisting her. Just incredible. You can hear her speak. The videos are there. This patient, James, is not the only one. It's not just a one luck shot that we're dealing with here.
My name is Judith. I was diagnosed with MS 8 years ago. 5 years ago, the mobility in my legs stopped working, and it hasn't worked since until I saw Dr. Lonnie Herman.
Your knees up, kick your shins up. We're February 27th, 2020 in the clinic here down in South Florida. Okay, Judith, let's see you sit up. It's not happening. So we're going to see it happen now. So try again as hard as you can.